Hello there again, once again back. So this is where we ended in our last session. Now let us continue from there. Yeah. So still there is a lot we have to make. Now uh, we completed in previous session on this arc, and now we'll go with this window. So let us start working on this window. So I have to make this window into round shape. So here we can do one thing. We'll just take one pipe and rotate and discrete rotate on 90 degrees angle and reduce the radius and also height, thickness to 0.1, radius to 0.1, thickness to 0.01, center pivot W, and just taking there. Now go to the front view. This is only for reference. We are using it. Now we have to find center of this. So I'll select this piece and I'll find the center. Sorry, edge ring and split. So I got center for this. Press 5. It's 4. Now select this and move to the center and select this and move to the center. So this is where we can find our center. Now increase the radius to 0.2. Yeah, it's more. So 0.18. So we'll go with the hunch of 0.16. 1.6 is doing good. So we'll fix with 1.6 and now we got circle, right? So it's touching the top and the bottom. Next we can measure the side one. So we can change the one. So select this, press 5, and what you have to do is you should make an edge loop. Now I'll just select this window and I'm just moving in this side so that there won't be any disturbance for me. Select this and isolation and press right here. Now we can work a little better. Select the vertices. So here we have to select whole bunch because this is the border. We have to remind that point. Right here. So select the border and move him towards this point. And select this border also and move it toward this point so that all borders are meeting, and now I can make this little round. So to make that round look, we should uh, select this border, this one and this one, hold shift and select, pull them down a little, and same way select this one and this one, pull them out, this one and this one, pull them there, same thing, this one and this one, pull in there, this one and this one, pull a little more out, this one and this one, pull a little more down, this and this and this and this. I'm just trying to touch the edge. All right, so here it already touched, and here we have to select. Pull a little down. No, it's good. Now press 5. We got our inner portion in this round way, and now we have to make our outer portion also to be round, right? So it's quite simple. Select this and this, or else you can take this reference also and increase 0.2, check whether they are meeting properly. Yeah, I believe 0.2 is good. So let's continue with 0.2. Now select this, go to the vertices, select this vertex and pull him down, and select this vertex, pull him down on this part also, even this one, pull him down on this part. All right, even this, we have to check that with. Select this, pull him there. Now select this one and this one, pushing further, select this one and this one, pushing further. Now select this one and this one. So you are trying to make it round, right? So, all right. Now select this and this. Just push them down. This and this. Push them down. This and this. Push them down. This and this. Pull up. So I'm mostly trying to match the roundness of the circle. Just hold on a second. Yeah, and so here now select this and this. So why I am selecting this both? the main reason, you know, this and this, select this, because I want to see if there won't be any problem or not. Both should be selected at same, all right? And so the inner part we have done and the exterior part we have done. Just go and check once. Press 5 and see. I'll just pull inside. Now you can see it's round, right? So this is how we managed to make this in round shape. Now if I press 3, see the roundness, you got it. Fine. So this is how you can make a box structure into the round structure. All right. So this is one technique. Now I'll just come out of the isolation mode and I'll simply take this and keep it aside because I need this for even this structure also, where here we'll be extending it more. All right, so for that I need it. Now here one thing we have to observe that you know, I want this type of structured shape again, one more in between, so that I can create my window, right? So to do that, what type of procedure we can follow, or what we can do? We can work on that. So you can either go by extruding this part to down, half part to down in that way, or else you can go in some other way. So let's do from a box. I believe that will be easy for us. And I'll decrease the size of the box to 0.2. Yeah, just take him to the center. Again, we have to find the center of this. So I'll just select and snap, select and sorry, snap, my mistake. So this is how I found the center. And now I'll simply go to the front view and I'm just checking on once, or else, yeah, let's start doing the polygon modeling. So make edge ring and split and edge ring and split. Now go to the vertices, this vertex to be snapped to this, and this one vertex to be snapped to this, and this one will be snapped to this, and this one will be snapped to this. So this shape I got, and this one I'm just see, I'm not directly snapping, I'm giving him the direction and then I'm snapping. If I snap directly, here I got 3 or 4 points, so it will snap with any of the points, so that creates some problem for us. Always use direction to snap your vertices. So if you are in any orthographic view, now select this and this and this and this. Now my entire box, I got a shape. Yeah. So let's go here and let's reduce the size of this width of this box. So scale and check on with the scale. Snap scale is off. Press 5 and all right, that's good. So let's go to the top view. Press 4 and just give him this size. Now here press 5. I already made one window, right? So I'll just bring him to this point where I can see the width of the window, so that my window width will match. All right, press 5. I just want the width of the window, that's all, so that I can match this part circle, this one. All right. So just take the window and let's bring these two together. So to make this to the center, select any of the edge. Sorry, I'm trying to select edge ring and split. All right, that's enough for me. There is some issue with that window because I didn't combine this entire interior middle portion, so that's the reason it's giving me that type of effect. So snap him to the center, press 5. So now it's been centered. All right. So let's go with the faces of this, and I'll snap those faces to this edge. Done. And I'll select these back faces also, and I'll snap those back faces to this edge so that I'll get exact width of the window, and window say calm finish, and then again I'm coming back. Now to get to the center, I'll simply take him and press 4, snap him to this point, press 5. So this one is done, right? This is good. Now my window is done. Here there are another thing that we have to understand, whether this window has some type of thing. I believe there is some sort of star or like, okay, it's not properly visible, so let's leave it in this way. We'll just make sure that it has some extra border, that's all. So to make extra border, a simple technique, you want to make an extra border, right? So I'll go with to the edge ring. So my ring is been selected, right? And two faces. So wherever my ring is been selected, my faces are also selected, because I cannot keep on selecting all the faces round and round. So this is one way to select, and hold shift, and I'll go with the extrude face. I'm just resetting. See, always I check this option box. So extrude, and let's give him some width. All right, that is good. And now I can also go in this way, select this edge and select this edge to ring. I believe both sides are selected, and again two faces. So this side and that side selected, and again extrude, and I'll extrude this one a little so that my border, I got my border, right? So this is how you can do, and go to this, come out of that. Now go to the vertices, select all the vertices, and scale tool is down, press 4, scale them down to match the edge. All right. So yeah, done. You can make it perfect by matching again one by one. So I'm just leaving here. So press 5. So I got this. Now hold 3 and see, and this one also 3. Yeah. All right. So press 1 and press 1. Now you want in between this, what do you say? Some more iron type of this thing, dividers. You can simply bevel this edge, and also you can extrude the same way how I have been extruded on this, right? So this is for this round one, and now let's go to this part. Yeah. So we done this part, we are good with it, and now we are changing this one to this part, right? So here, if we observe, this door is good, and a small other part is been extruded, means it's been added part. So that thing we have to look into. I'm just checking on. Yeah, only this part if we add, that's enough. So we'll add that part. So to add that part, what I'm doing is, first of all, I have to take this one and press 4. Again, match the center, right? Right, the center is been matched. Now I'll match the center. Just hold on a second. Yeah, this point, I guess. Yes. So I'll match the center with this. Press 5. So why I'm matching the center with this? Because I want the semi circle type of part, right? So that's the reason I'm matching with that center. Press 4. And this is already by default, it's in the shape of that window, right? So no issues for us. Yeah. Whatever the size, same, it's matching, the size is matching. So there is no need for us to extend the size and all. Okay. Now let's make this one to round shape. Just press 5 and check. I'm just checking on it's been extruded or not. Yeah, it's extruded. And extrusion, just hold on a second, we'll see. It's a little complicated here. All right. So here, if we observe, there is one arc type of thing here. The same thing is been in this way. So we'll see how to make that also. First of all, we'll go with the border. The border is in this one. Okay, and then this is been extruded in this. Okay, done. And to do that, just we have to extend this one, and we can make this one as a border. Here you can use split polygon tool also to cut and then later on match all the vertices and all the faces. That's also a way. Or else you can use boolean, but don't use boolean. That's my advice. So how to sort out this? We are just thinking on that. Okay. All right. So yeah, first let's make our inner portion of semicircle type. Then we'll go with that exterior part, right? So select this and isolation. The rest gets hidden and we can work. See, it's better for me to if I remove this part. Some network issue, I think. So I have deleted this part. Now let's take this one little back so that I will get some view on this. Yeah. So this is how it's been viewed. It's all right. Now, I'll do one thing. We'll extend this edge and this edge. Same wise even here. So just check once. We said extrude edge till here, and again select this edge, extrude edge, hold on, extrude edge till here. I need one more extrude till here. Now select all the vertices and do some merging. Press 3. Yeah, it's good. Press 1. All right. Now let's take him back to here. Now what I'm going to do, I'll select the vertices, and first of all I'm trying to match the inner space. Press 4. So there I'm matching, and even this part also should be matched. So I'm just lifting him. Sorry, I selected entire one. Now, yeah, there, it's good. And select this and move him inside. And select this and move him inside. All right. Now, likewise, select this. Okay, thickness 0.02. Fine, sorry. So I have to increase the radius a little so that it will match out. Now inner layer, here select this part and push it a little more inside because I'm trying to match. Select this part inside all, and now hold shift and select and bring down to this. Done. And inner portion is being matched. Now we have to match the exterior portion, and also we have to see to reduce the exterior portion. So simply 0.21, yeah, make it 0.22. Yes, 22 is matching. Now select this vertex, this one and this one, pull him little up, this one towards down little, and there, this little up, this one towards inside, this one towards inside. Select this both, do them little down, and now pull him there inside, pull him there inside. You can pull this way and this one to this. And also there is one more thing. we have to match, that is this part till here and this part till here. So press 5 and just let us check this. Hold 3. So you got that round shape. Press 1. Yeah, it's good. Press select the vertices. All the vertices. I'm selecting all the vertices. And D, V to the center. Scale them out. All right. I'm just trying to match the inner one. Select all. Again D and sorry V. Scale them. Good. Select this and this. Or else you can select him W and snap him to the same size of this and snap him to the same size of this. Now select all these vertices, outer vertices, and scale tool and D and V, because that is the center, right? So I'm trying to match maximum my roundness. Yes, it's good. All right. So this is how I matched, and here there is a small problem. Yes. Sorry, there is some network issues. So yeah. Now here, if we observe, one thing I try to maintain is that the border width, it's as equal as possible, and the same wise here. So this is how. So there is no need to worry. See, your lines are coming and squeezing here, so there is no need to worry. It's just you have to understand that your so this is what you think of matching, and there is no need of uh, you know worrying about the mesh how it's going until and unless there is a triangle, there is no problem at all, right? So press 3 and just check. Yeah, we got that shape what we wanted, and now press 1 and next, after finishing this, let's come back again and if we observe on this, I got one arc type of thing instead of this one. This is itself extruded from here, and I got that arc type of shape. So that we will do, or else you can simply you know get this, duplicate this, and place it here. That will be also easy for you if you want. Just select this and just duplicate it and just place it here and remove this part, and also this inner part, and it will be good, right? So we can follow either way. So I'm thinking to duplicate this. Why unnecessarily, keeping on load pressure, right? So Control D, I duplicated this and also modify center pivot, and it's in center, that's for sure. So just press 4 and go to all the vertices and if we scale, what happens we'll see. Yeah, there is some problem, right? So the what is the problem is, here you can see a small part is been placed extra, so that is the problem. So I'll take this to edge loop and delete. I'll select this vertices and I'll snap them according to this vertex. Now it's good. That is first thing. And second thing is that I'll select this edge, ring and split, and I'll take it as a snap scale. I'll straighten it out and I'll snap into the center, right? So this is one thing. And edge. To the edge loop, and rotation tool, just rotating. Sorry guys, today there is a lot of network problem, network issue. Please don't mind for this. And hold on a second. Yes. So now I believe center pivot once again. Scale tool D and V. Sorry, always don't scale the object, always select the vertices and scale them. So D and V. So now it's scaling gradually. All right. So now taking and placing to the center of this, and now scale W, scale tool. Sorry, it's raining very heavily today, so that's the reason I'm facing a lot of network issues. Please bear with me. So I'm trying to match this, border part, and